HOMELAND is a high-end furniture manufacturer in China. Els has strong and experienced overseas sales department at our headquarters. We provide cohesive cooperation for worldwide distributors and wholesalers, assist them with exploring their market and boost sales. Meanwhile, to be our partners, you can easily get kinds of training courses here, like product knowledge, store operation, sales management, and so on. Additionally, we also focus on how to assist our partners with grabbing more traffic online. So, our marketing department will put advertisement accurately to catch qualified traffic for dealers to get more orders. From May 21st to 23rd, HOMELAND is coming to Dubai High Furniture Show. Let's see what is high-end handcraft made in China. See you there!